lofty Taihang Mountains, vast between heaven and earth. This is Hebei, a major manufacturing province of China, representing the strength of Chinese manufacturing. Shijiazhuang Shiqiao Electric Welding Material Co., Limited, stands out as a shining card in this land. In the modern industrial stage, welding technology is undoubtedly one of the key pillars supporting numerous industries. It embodies the wisdom of China's 5,000 years of splendid civilization and converges the tenacious spirit of the nation. There is a welding material company that has illuminated the path to success for countless projects with its outstanding quality, innovative spirit, and professional service. It is Shijiazhuang Shiqiao Electric Welding Material Co., Limited. Shijiazhuang Shiqiao Electric Welding Material Co., Ltd. is a professional manufacturer that integrates R&D, production, and sales of welding materials under the brands Stone Bridge and Hero. Its predecessor was Shijiazhuang Guanghua Electric Welding Rod Factory, established in 1981. Over 4 decades, Shiqiao Welding Materials has consistently pursued solid steps, professional products, and high-quality services for enterprise development, constantly advancing towards becoming a world-renowned brand in the welding materials industry. The company now operates 5 phases of factory projects, covering an area of 108,000 square meters, with a total of 13 welding rods production lines and 10 welding wire production lines, capable of producing over 150,000 tons annually, ranking among the top producers and sellers in China. The company's Stone Bridge and Hero branded products have been exported to more than 85 countries and regions, including the United States, Canada, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, and Nigeria, covering Europe, America, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Time witnesses progress, and Shijiazhuang Shiqiao Electric Welding Material Co., Ltd. always regards product quality as the lifeline of enterprise development, taking innovation as the core driving force for enterprise development. The company has invested heavily in upgrading production equipment with globally leading, automated dedicated equipment to perfect production lines, while also introducing specialized talents and testing equipment to continuously innovate and upgrade quality inspection, improving process and quality, significantly enhancing production efficiency, reducing production costs, and effectively enhancing market competitiveness. Since its establishment, Shijiazhuang Shiqiao Electric Welding Materials Co., Ltd. has actively built the premium brands Stone Bridge and Hero, always adhering to the service philosophy of quality for survival, brand for development, reputation wins the market, and service for eternity. From raw material selection to production process monitoring to final product inspection, every step strictly follows international quality standards, ensuring stable performance and reliable quality. To meet customers' differentiated needs, it provides a diverse range of welding material production lines. The company's Stone Bridge and Hero branded products include various models and specifications of carbon steel welding electrodes, special welding rods, CO2 gas shielded welding wires, submerged arc welding wires, copper aluminum welding wires, widely applicable in advanced fields such as shipbuilding, construction, high-pressure vessels, bridges, railways, locomotives, oil, chemical, metallurgy, and others. Many domestic and international enterprises have established long-term friendly cooperative relationships with Shiqiao Welding Materials. In 2008, approved by the Ministry of International Trade and Economy, the company obtained independent export rights. With the continuous expansion of the overseas market, our company has continuously participated in the China Import and Export Commodities Fair, organized by the Ministry of Commerce for 16 consecutive years since 2009, further expanding our international market and enhancing the company's reputation. The company's Stone Bridge and Hero branded products are sold in many countries and regions, including the United States, Canada, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, and Nigeria. Thanks to the excellent product quality and professional service level, Shiqiao Welding Materials has set new records in international sales, earning reputation and attention. In terms of product research and development, Shijiazhuang Shiqiao Electric Welding Materials Co., Ltd. follows the global trends of Industry 4.0 and Internet Plus, aiming at industrial innovation, establishing specialized research and testing laboratories, continuously exploring new material formulas and production processes, deepening product stability, and meeting the special needs of different industries for welding materials. Quality drives welding without worries. As an industry leader, Shijiazhuang Shiqiao Electric Welding Material Co., Ltd. leads the development of welding materials with its outstanding quality and innovative technology, promoting the advancement of the industry. The company has passed GBT 1900-12016, ISO 9001-2015, Quality Management System Certification, international certifications from IQ International Certification Alliance, American AWS, European Union CE, Nigerian PC, etc., and enjoys independent export rights. The company's Stone Bridge and Hero branded products are popular worldwide. Qualifications are the effective guarantee for customer trust. Relying on strong technical research and development, complete production testing equipment, excellent product performance, and stable quality control, the Stone Bridge trademark has been repeatedly awarded famous trademark of Hubei Province, and the company's products have won honors like High-Quality Products of Hubei Province multiple times. The company has been rated as Hubei Province Consumer Trustworthy Unit. Shiqiao Welding Materials has earned the favor of domestic and international clients with its strength. Shijiazhuang Shiqiao Electric Welding Materials Co., Ltd. upholds the corporate spirit that cohesion generates power and quality achieves the future. In a lot of major social events, the company has stepped forward to donate over 500,000 RMB worth of supplies and property, while also supporting public welfare causes, establishing a special scholarship fund to help students complete their education. Additionally, the company continues to solve employment issues in surrounding villages and towns, providing a good working environment and benefits, regularly organizing various forms of leisure and tourism activities, creating a respectful atmosphere of creation, and continuously enhancing corporate cohesion. Growth is an unceasing force, not bowing to setbacks, not satisfied with the status quo, always full of fighting spirit, always striving on the path of exploration and innovation. Shijiazhuang Shiqiao Electric Welding Material Co., Ltd. continuously infuses itself with new content and characteristics, integrating sincerity into every detail, always maintaining an international perspective, pursuing the collision of wisdom and technology, engraving the concept of refinement in every transcendence. From products to configurations, we are committed to forging professional capabilities. From seller to buyer, we focus on changes in customer needs. In the future, Shiqiao Welding Materials will further plan its development, expand productivity, enhance creativity, turning Stonebridge and Hero into globally trusted leading brands, adhering to the original aspirations, quality first, not disappointing the era's favor and customers' trust.